Good morning. So we are leaving. We're leaving the Wrinkle Ranch and headed to Jack's. Yeah. So I'm excited. Actually excited to get on the road. I'm even taking the long way. If you don't know, just from driving, I didn't know until after a year that on the Google Maps I use that if you bring up whatever address you're looking for, if you hit directions instead of start, the 3 dots up top, you hit that and it says options, and then you can put avoid highways, and and that'll take you like the more leisurely route. That's what I drove, last year from, Arizona, all the way to Florida. I just kind of took the back roads and didn't go on the highways. So I'm looking forward to driving. And I am stopping at a place that I've wanted. I'm going to sign up for this fitness place. And yeah, and then I might stop in and see Dr. Gulani. He's in surgery, started surgery at 8 this morning. But then I'll be in tomorrow morning there and in surgery. I get to go in surgery. I'll be standing, away. But yeah, I get to watch it. So, and I was going to tell you too. So I was supposed to talk to Jenny on Monday night, but then her son had a makeup game for basketball, and so she couldn't do it. So we're going to do it this Sunday once I'm at Jack's and get settled and stuff. And same with Ron. We're going to talk again. But if you'd please leave questions down below that you want us to discuss and stuff like that, that just makes it easier, and then we can help answer questions and get on topics that people are interested in talking about. So Jenny is a senior living expert and Ron's a probate attorney. So, or estate planning attorney too. And somebody said it looked like he was in a fight. Well, he kind of was. So if you don't know, his fridge wasn't working, and they made him unhook. He pulls it with his truck, so he had to batten down everything and take it to the Jayco dealership around here, which is 45 miles away, and had to take it in. And he was unhooking the sway bar or something, and it came back and hit him in the face. And he said he's lucky because his head was like this and it hit him here, and he got a gash here, and then it knocked his glasses off. And then the next morning he woke up and he had a black eye. So you should have seen the other guy. All right, so I'm gonna get on the road and we'll just see what happens today. But yeah, leave your questions or topics you want to talk about below. All right, let's get driving. Come on, Charlene. Let's go. Oh, Chuck and Charlie, finally, strap in. We're going for a drive. Good morning. So sorry I didn't finish the video yesterday. Sorry, it's kind of bright here, but it's still dark outside. It's like 6:15, something like that. I'm in Jacksonville, and I'm going to go into surgery with Dr. Gulani today, but I'm not having surgery. I get to watch from afar, but I want to show you. So this is what I'm going to be doing every night while I'm here. And then on the weekends, I'm going back to where Keith is, because I have reviews to do and stuff. But I am starting, and I didn't even know if I wanted to put this out here, but a true fitness journey. I work out all the time. I love to work out, but I honestly have not been taking care of my eating habits, and and I am just ready to do that. And I think because I'm here by myself now, that I can focus on that. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a little snippet of what I signed up for. I went straight there to sign up for it, and had a class last night. I have a class tonight. I already have classes all next week. So yeah, here you go. I want to pole dance. And if you don't know how hard pole dancing is, like, if you saw that, yeah, I thought when I first started, so I did it like years ago. Yeah, I'm like, oh, I got this. I've been working out. I'm strong, you know. I can't even hold myself up. And I'm like, oh, this will be sexy, you know. But you holding onto the pole and just gliding down because you can't hold on. So give it to those people, because that is, it's hard. It's hard. But I am going to master the pole. That's, sorry, I keep like getting in that light right there. But so I am going to start eating. I have found recipes. I have been cooking in the van. Somebody said, could you show me you cooking in the van? And I was just about to eat my breakfast. So I thought, yeah, maybe I'll show you, because I have all these recipes I want to try. I already have stuff in the cooler. One thing I haven't tried yet. And so I'm going to show you what I'm having for breakfast. Here you go. So when I'm not plugged in, I can't use my microwave, which is probably a good thing. And so just a tortilla and eggs, and then hummus. So I get those little individual packs of hummus, and then I put some pepper on there, and that is amazing. And then I just use this. My stove works because I have propane, so that works. And yeah, so this is my breakfast. And black coffee. If you don't know me, I would put like 3 creamers in there, but this week I have been drinking black coffee, and I actually like it better. It's just all getting used to stuff, you know. But that cuts, I think each one of those had 30 calories in them, and I would put 2 or 3 in them. So listen, that's like, you know, 100 calories just in one coffee. And if I'd have 2, there you go. They all just add up. So I am gonna, sweating. I am going to get ready for my day and go to Dr. Gulani's and do that. And then I have a class tonight. They're all different classes. Like there's chair choreography and handstands and stretching, deep stretching. I need to get more flexible. Listen, yeah, I've been through so much recently, and it just is like, I know my body has been suffering because of that, because it's not only mental. And, you know, probably been drinking more, and then the more you drink, then you want to eat, and it just snowballed. But I am ready to take it back. So, okay, I'm going to let you go here, and then I'll let you know how everything goes as it goes. I'm going home for the weekend. Home. Keith, I'm coming home. I'm going back. I have to take care of some stuff. But what's today? Thursday. Okay. Because I'll upload this, because I just want to know your questions too about what you have, because I have Ron and Jenny coming up. Okay? So, you know what to do. Go out and make an adventure. No matter how big or how small. You don't have to solve everything and move into a van. But if you do, I mean, you can still cook in a van. And look, I already made my bed. And I was up early. I was up by 5:15. Go call someone you love. And as Joy says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.